Very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about operation of matrices. So, in this operation of matrices topic, our syllabus contains addition of two matrices, subtraction of two matrices, then scalar multiplication of a matrix. A matrix is multiplied by another matrix. So, in this concept operation of matrices, we have that is addition of two matrices. Subtraction of two matrices. Then third one, scalar multiplication of a matrix. Next one, a matrix is multiplied by another matrix. These are the four concepts are there for in our syllabus for operation of matrices. In this operation of matrices concept, addition of two matrices, subtraction of two matrices, scalar multiplication of a matrix is multiplied by another matrix. These operations generally for addition of two matrices, subtraction of two matrices, these operations are valid. It satisfies for some conditions. These are the very important. Then similarly for all these four methods also we have some conditions that we will see one by one. Okay, that is operation of matrices topic. Coming to the first topic we discuss, that is addition of two matrices. Then subtraction of two matrices also same condition, but first we will discuss on addition of two matrices. How to add the two matrices? What is the condition of valid for addition of the two matrices topic? Right. First we are discussion on addition of two matrices. In this addition of two matrices topic, first we have to choose two matrices. We have to take it as a two matrices. These two matrices having some order, that is also we are discussing. So for addition of two matrices topic, for discussion of addition of two matrices, we need two matrices for understanding of addition of two matrices concept. So for that is, let capital A, this is one matrix, let capital A, Aij, this is one example of the matrices. order m cross n, and we need one more matrices, capital B of Bij of order P by Q. This order is m by n, this order is P by Q. M by n represented, already this we discussed in previous classes. Number of rows are m, number of columns are n. In this example of the matrix B, number of rows are P, number of columns are Q. That's very, very important. So these are the two matrices. A is one matrix and B is another matrix. B two matrices. B two matrices. Then for these two matrices addition, that is called it as matrix A plus matrix B. For these two matrices addition, when it is possible means it satisfies the condition. Very, very important. Addition condition and subtraction condition both are same. That is also very, very important. First we have discussion about that. What is the condition of A plus B is defined. A plus B is satisfied. Okay now. A plus B, addition of matrix A plus matrix B is defined if, very, very important information, addition of two matrices is valid. Addition of two matrices is defined. The condition, what is the condition means? If their order should be same. Their order should be same. Matrix A order and matrix B order, whenever these both orders are same, at that time only A plus B is defined. A plus B is valid. Otherwise, these orders are not same. This matrix order and matrix B order are not same. Immediately A plus B is addition of two matrices is not possible. This is a very, very important condition for us. So that is for we have to take it up some examples of the matrices also. The condition of the addition of the two matrices, the condition of subtraction of the two matrices is same. That is their order should be same. What are the matrices we are adding? That matrices orders are same. At that time only addition of two matrices or more matrices also. Their orders are same. The addition of two matrices are valid. Otherwise, addition of the two matrices are not valid. This is very, very important for them. Then, once it is satisfied, yes sir, their orders are same. Yes, suppose this order should be 3 by 3 matrix. This order should be 3 by 3 matrix. Yes, their orders are same. Now addition is defined. Addition is possible. Now how we are adding the two matrices? That is also that we will discuss further. This is the first condition. Addition of two matrices are defined. The condition is their order should be same. Now we have to take it. How we are adding the two matrices? That is, we have to take some two matrices. How we are adding? This is a condition of the addition of the two matrices. For example, how to take next, I am writing, let capital A be the matrix, of order 2 by 2 assumption, and capital B be the another matrix of order, this is also 2 by 2. For assumption, how to add the two matrices. So like this we are taking with the place values with the place values, how we are choosing. Suppose capital A 2 by 2 matrix of with the place values, how we are choosing means 2 by 2 matrix means 2 rows and 2 columns. A11, A12, A21, A22. These are the place values. One example. This order should be 2 cross 2. Then one more matrix. Matrix B. Order should be, that is 2 by 2. B11, B12, B21, B22. Now this order also 2 by 2 matrix. Now how we are adding? Now first we need to check that these two matrices addition is defined or not. Yes, matrix A order is 2 by 2, matrix B order is 2 by 2. Yes, it is defined. Now we need to, how to add it? A matrix A plus matrix B. How we are adding? How we are adding matrix A and matrix B? That is, we have to choose it. Matrix A write at one place. A11, A12, A21, A22 plus. We have to choose one more matrix. That is matrix B. That is B11, B12, B21, B22. Same procedure for subtraction of the two matrices also. But here we are using plus symbol. But in the case of subtraction, we are using minus symbol. That's the difference. Now while choosing of this one, how we are adding? Condition is valid. That is 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. Orders are same. So addition of the two matrices are possible. Then here, how we are adding is add with their corresponding elements. Add with their corresponding elements. That is A11 corresponding element is B11. So we need to add the two numbers. A11 plus B11. Next, A12 corresponding element is B12. So we have to write A12 plus B12. Next, A21 corresponding element is B21. So A21 plus B21. Next, A22 corresponding element is B22. So A22 plus B22. This is enough for regarding about addition of the two matrices. See here, very important for you. A matrix order is 2 by 2. B matrix order is 2 by 2. After adding, that is A plus B, after adding, resultant matrix order is also 2 rows, 2 columns. That is, after adding, the resultant matrix order is also same. Matrix A order, matrix B order, after adding A plus B order is also same. This is a condition for, that is, addition of the two matrices concept. First we need to understanding addition of two matrices topic. Whenever we are choosing, immediately we have to think, check the condition. Addition of the two matrices is possible or not. Addition of the two matrices is, what is the condition of addition of the two matrices is possible? First important one is their order should be same or not. First we need to check. Then once their orders are same, immediately add with their corresponding elements. Then matrix A order, matrix B order, after addition, the resultant of A plus B order also same we will get it. So this is a addition of the two matrices topic. We have to take so many plenty of examples regarding about addition of the two matrices concept. First we will see some examples of addition of the two matrices. How we are choosing. Any complaint? Any complaint? Comments? Any complaint? Right. We have to take one example how to add the two matrices. Suppose I will take it. Let matrix A, for our understanding purpose, 2, 1, 4, 3. Then and matrix B 5, 2, -1, 6. Take it as a two matrices. This is matrix A, this is matrix B. Find A plus B, like that they are asking, for example. Find A plus B. Matrix A plus matrix B. While choosing of A plus B, immediately, while reading of this question itself, first we need to understand what is the order of matrix A, what is the order of matrix B. Order of matrix A, 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 by 2. What is the order of matrix B? 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 by 2. Then immediately we have to decide about that addition of two matrices is possible. Next we have to go through the concept. How we are adding matrix A plus matrix B. We need to write matrix A is 2, 1, 4, 3 plus what is matrix B? 5, 2, -1, 6. I will inform to you. While adding of addition of two matrices, check their corresponding elements addition. That is, we have to write down the value can be written as 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. Next, 1 minus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Next, 4 plus -1. 4 plus -1. Next, 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. See, 2 corresponding 5. So 2 plus 5, 1 plus 2, 4 plus -1, 3 plus 6. The resultant value is 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. 4 plus -1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. This is the addition of the two matrices. Check the condition. Matrix A order is 2 by 2. Matrix B order is 2 by 2. After addition, A plus B order is also 2 by 2. This is also very, very important for us regarding about addition of the two matrices concept. Then coming to the one more example of addition of the two matrices, that is matrix P. Matrix P 1, 4, 5, 2 and matrix Q 0, 4, 1. Matrix A 1, 5, 2. Matrix P. Matrix Q 0, 4, 1. Find P plus Q if possible. Like that question they are asking. Immediately payment neutrality. Now okay and better. Question mark.
ఇది వీడియో వస్తాను కదా.
చూడు ఓకే అంటే స్టార్ట్.
సార్ పిలుస్తాను.
ఓకే.